something just came to my mind and just say, Kaya, let's do it. Anyways, y'all, so my mama wanted me to go to the store with her later on. And, I just wanted to, mess with her a little bit and get on her little skin or whatever. So I was just thinking, maybe I should prank her. Just prank her for the one time. But yeah, let me show y'all what I'm finna do. So, okay, I'm gonna put hold on. Honk. Yeah, I can't even write and record at the same time. Should I just put a thumbs up? Nah. Go on the other one. Hold on. Honk for good look. Blow the horn. Put on both of them. So now I gotta find something to put on the back of her car. She in there doing her little assignment for her cooking stuff, so she ain't got no idea. I gotta find some tape or something, but y'all can follow me outside. But y'all, this is what I did. Hold on. Wait. Gonna get her. Wait, I'm trying not to put her thing in, but this is what I got. Hopefully that won't blow off when she be driving, because she like to drive a little too fast for me. So. Let me see that dump truck, baby. Hey, lady. Dump truck's bigger than us. You drive inside that thing. You say you dump that dump truck. You know what I'm talking about? I'm talking about that dump truck. Now, I told my mama that they need to start paying her to buy these ingredients, because she over here spending her hard working money buying this stuff. Wouldn't be me. But y'all, she gonna cook some ribs tomorrow. What else she got on this list? Some other stuff. This all she gotta get or whatever. Mama, can you say hey to my vlog?
No, I just told you, don't put me in there.
But why you can't just say hey?
Hey.
They can't hear you or see you.
They ain't got to see me. They can hear me. Let me see this.
Okay. Well, I see y'all later. Okay, y'all, so I'm editing this video right now. And I realize this video not even long enough, but let me tell y'all, my prank is a fail. Cause like, first of all, it was like already getting nighttime anyway. And my stepdad had seen the back of it, and he had took them off the car or whatever, cause it was blocking her lights or whatever. So, and I told my mom, we putting everything in the back seat. We ain't putting in the trunk, cause I ain't want her to see the stuff that I put on her car or whatever. Cause, yo, That's what happened. And then barely people was honking. Like I only heard like 3 honks. And yeah, it just a fail. Like I'm gonna do it later on another day because it wasn't it. It wasn't it. Yeah, one more thing. So when we had got stove, my mom was walking behind the car to go put the car up. I'm just looking at her because she had my phone with her. But anyways, I was just looking, but she didn't see the what I had put on her car or whatever. But I'm glad she didn't see. And she's like, "Girl, why you not in the car yet?" I said, "Oh, nah, I'm just waiting on my phone. That's it." She said, "I'm coming back in the car." I said, "Okay, Mom, I know." But I was just looking because of why she. Y'all, just bear with me with this YouTube stuff, cause this prank stuff I eat. My bunny big. But anyways, make sure y'all continue watching this video. I went to my friend dinner the next day. Her name's Shariah and she 18. And yo, we ate good. I'm glad she enjoyed her night. But yo, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.
Really? Well, right here.
Oh!
Y'all so crazy.
You know Mama 10 dark.
Y'all so crazy.
I gotta tell you something, Doc. Come here. Doc.
I saw that.
What? Nothing. Nothing. I ain't whispering about nothing. Go on in the store. I'll talk to you later.
Hey.
Can't nobody hear today.
Yeah, I can. Y'all know who you is.
What do I sound like Nanny?
That is Nanny.
Oh, hey Nanny. Kaya. Hey. She sure do.
Tell Sally I say hey, because she sounds just like
Look. Tink said, tell Sally I said.
Oh, who you blowing it? Hear me? Mama, who's you blowing it? I'm blowing at somebody. Alright, y'all, little update. It wasn't a lot of cars driving behind my mama. I was hoping some cars do, but I heard like a little few honks. I just wasn't recording like that. Cause she's telling me, "Don't put me in that camera." I said, "Okay, Mom, you're not in the video, but we finna go somewhere. So hopefully they hunt for real, cause I just want to see what my mom would do. That's all. But hopefully, cause my stepdaddy, he has seen it, but she didn't see it. Cause I just said, Mama, let's just put everything in the back seat. We don't gotta put everything in the trunk. Just put it in the back seat. Cause I was trying not to let her see or whatever. But she had walked behind the car, but she didn't see it though. And I was just looking at her walk past or whatever. And I'm just waiting on her to get back in the car cause she had my phone or whatever. So I couldn't record it. But hopefully them cars just hunk away. Let me get that toot. Let me get that beep. All right, y'all, I'm see y'all later. I don't know where we're going, but I'm gonna record. Yeah.
Pittsburgh.
You super good. Yeah, we eating at Longhorn. Just me, my mom, my stepdad, and my other sister. And that's it. In the pit. You can't really see it, but I'm sure y'all later. Yeah, my print is free. My stepdad took the stuff out the car. So I can't do it.
Okay.
Y'all, it's Shariah's birthday.
It's Shariah money. And it's my 18th. Peep the nails, smash the hair.
Hold on, let me see the outfit.
Anonymous person, dress, Sheen, hair. Don't worry about it. This Sheen, hairstyle, Sheen, and Monet. Book her.
Looking cute, looking cute. Dang, you forgot the purse.
Purse, Sheen, of course. Yeah. Get into the details. Stop it.
Let me see you do your walk. Oh, where the bathroom at? It's nice up in here. Do that going on?
It's on about her, thoughts, it's on about her. Really think she got my life, I wanna rob her. Don't take it. Not your scooter, but all she know we count on. She counting. How when it's fucked up, you up in the gave you everything you need, and you turn your back on me, you don't know. Sometimes I get upset and clench my teeth, I done made it.
So this one I got a bacon burger with some fries. Shariah got some tacos and she got some French made.